Hey everybody, Jacob of Scooters Lawn Care. Today I want to talk to you about the power of emails. And on top of that, when you bring in Service Autopilot, some of the amazing things you can do that can really push your business forward, get you rolling, get you calls, get you estimates to do at the beginning of the season, especially when you've already got a client base built up. So what we've done is we created an automation. There is one for mowing and one for fertilizer. So if you don't have mowing, you get the fertilizer one. If you don't have fertilizer, you get the mowing one. If you don't have either, you get all of them. And there's an email every week. So the first week's fertilizer education, second week's mowing education, third week is fertilizer sales, fourth week is mowing sales, and then there's another week of doing education on both, and then another week of sales. So 4 emails for both services. And what's really amazing about this is the first 2 went out, 2 weeks went by and it was just sales stuff, and it was just marketing, and it was just like basic knowledge. We got some hits on it. But we did our actual first sales email last Saturday. And Saturday alone, we went out at 8 o'clock. By Saturday at 4 o'clock p.m., we'd already had 5 requests for estimates. By today, which is Wednesday, we've had 7 estimates off this upsell. I just nicknamed it an upsell, cross-sell automation. So I really wanted to tell you this cool trick and this cool thing that you need to be collecting everybody's email, every customer you talk to, whatever your servicing software is. It needs to be able to bulk send very authentic looking, very customized looking emails to everybody in a timely manner. Even better if it's like Service Autopilot, have it do it where that email went out Saturday morning to sell this stuff, and I didn't do anything. It just went out. I set it all up. It's going to go out again this next Saturday, another one for a different service. And you can just drill down and you can get this so set up to where your customers are all tagged for the services they have, what they've requested, and it can sell. The worst part about it is building it, getting it structured where it knows what to upsell or cross-sell for. And you can build something that is constantly pumping out information and selling more stuff for you. So I just thought it was really cool that sent out an email Saturday morning, 8 o'clock, and by Tuesday we've already had 7 estimate requests. We had 5 estimate requests just that day from it. It has been a really powerful thing, and I think there's we're 3 or 4 emails in, so there's another 4 emails to go. So we'll see, and I'll keep you updated on how it goes. But collect people's emails, use it for marketing, have a very broad approach, and do a lot of different things, and track each one to see how they all work. Track your paper sales, your newspaper, your radio, your door hang. I mean, just everything. But emails are crucial. Don't be leaving that one out. It's free. Talk to you soon, guys. Have a great one. Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care. Kill it.